By the Hawaii Tourism Authority, the Bishop Museum, and Hula Lehua.
The 2014 Hula Awana competition begins with a 1937 composition by Pono Beamer that he wrote for his wife Louise.
He urges her to return with him to their home on Alava Heights. She is his sweetheart, the gentle-eyed companion who resides in the mountains.
So the One of the Men Are Doing is written by Uncle Pono Beamer for his wife, Auntie Louise. Uncle Pono had written a song of their home in Alava Heights that they can meet together and you know, watch the moonlit night again. But this particular song is a fun song for them to do. So hopefully we'll enjoy it a little bit, and my husband Lincoln will be playing along with some musicians from Hilo.
We open, ladies and gentlemen, in the Kane Division from Carson, California. Welcome under the direction of Kumuhula, Sisi Ka'io, and Lilinoe Ka'io. Na Pua Meke Aloha.
More coming up from the Merry Monarch Festival in Hilo. Hula. It is a type of hula that was once only performed by men.
The Kane perform with o'o, or digging sticks, that reflect their skill in both farming and warfare. And woven into the lyrics' masculine imagery is a passionate and tender longing for a loved one.
Historically, and he's supposed to be an ancestor of the people of Ka'u. That was really important to us because we wanted to honor our ancestor, especially because there's a lot of dancers this year that are descendants of our ohana from Ka'u. So for us to make that trip to Ka'u, perhaps just being on the Aina, they're going to be able to connect a little bit more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Hula Kahiko, our first group. They've waited a long time to come back to Hawaii. They have been here before on this stage from Carson, California, in the Kane division. Under the direction of their kumuhula, Sisi Ka'io and Lilinoe Ka'io. Welcome, Nā Pua Me Ke Aloha.
Aloha. Our Kane Kahiko this evening is entitled He Mele no Pua, about the red-skinned shark that came from Kahiki and led a band of warriors to Ka'u to protect the bays of Ka'u. Tonight we dedicate our performance to our ohana of Ka'u, Aiea, Laia, and most of all to our family and supporters back in the mainland. Mahalo nui.
Oh,